Indoor plants that thrive in water, a low-maintenance guide. Indoor plants that grow in water are an excellent choice for low-maintenance greenery in your home. Popular options include Lucky Bamboo, which thrives in vases of water and adds a touch of elegance. Pothos, known for its trailing vines and heart-shaped leaves, is another favorite. It grows well in water and requires minimal care. Philodendrons, particularly the heartleaf philodendron, adapt well to water propagation and bring a tropical vibe to interiors. Spider plants can grow in water too, with their baby offshoots rooting easily in jars. English ivy offers a classic look and grows well in water when given bright, indirect sunlight. Chinese evergreen can also be propagated in water, offering lush foliage in various shades. Coleus, known for its vibrant, multicolored foliage, grows exceptionally well in water when its cuttings are placed in a jar with clean water and with sufficient indirect sunlight. Lastly, peace lilies can thrive in water as long as the base of the plant is submerged, providing elegant white blooms. These plants not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your space, but also contribute to improved air quality.